Hola mis amigos, let's do some math together. And guess what? We're going to skip this page. I don't want you to do it. We're going to do it on Tuesday, on Monday instead. Today, we're going to turn the page and go to this page. We'll do this one together today. Alright, and you're going to need your lapis, your pencil. Okay, so this one is pretty easy. And remember, the reason why we're doing this packet is so that we can kind of slow down in topic 6. We want to make sure we take our time here and make sure that everyone feels comfortable with all these big numbers. All right. And we also want to focus on learning how to count or know the difference between ones, counting by ones, and counting by tens. So here it says, finish the number pattern. Did you count by ones or tens? So the only way you're going to know whether you're counting by ones or tens is if you actually look at the first 3 numbers and see how many numbers you skipped. So let's start with this one. It says 9, 10, 11. That sounds like we're only adding 1 to each one. So if you notice, if you get 1 more, you add it to 9, it's going to be 10. And if you add 1 more to 10, it'll be 11. So what is it going to be if I add 1 more to 11? Let's say the numbers. 9, 10, 11. What? What comes after 11? 12. So in this case, boys and girls, we are counting by ones. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's add 1 more. That's 13. Add 1 more. That's 14. And add 1 more to 14. 15. All right, and then if you look over here, it says, what are you counting by? Circle 1. Are we counting by ones or are we counting by tens? And here we already have the answer. It is 1. We are counting by ones. This is how we normally count when we are putting just 1 on the pile. All right, that's not skip counting really. And then here, they started with a big number. But we still have to pay attention and make sure, are we counting just by 1? Or are we counting by tens? So let's say the numbers. 47, 48, 49. So these are big numbers, right? We're only adding 1 to this one because if you add 1 more to 47, it changes to 48. All right, and we add another 1 to 48, and now we're at 49. What comes after 49? 47, 48, 49. If we don't know, let's check, let's look at this page here. Here are all the numbers. So let's look for 49. Here's 49. What comes after 49? 50. And you notice that we're moving across here. Remember, across means we're counting by ones. Only when we slide down like this is when we're counting by tens. So after 49, if we add 1 more, that's 50. All right, now we have 5 tens frames that are full and 0 extras. If we add 1 more, it'll be 51. All right, so let's say the numbers again. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. What's after that? 52. And we add 1 more to 52, and that's 53. So here we are counting by ones. Notice we started on 47 and the next one is 48. Here's 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. We're going across, so that means we're counting by ones. I want you to remember that, okay? Across is by ones. If we go down the chart, then that means we're going by tens. All right, now let's look at this one. Say the number. 30, 40, 50. This is not counting by ones. This is counting by tens. Let's look it up on the chart. Here's 30. Here's 40. 50. What's next? 60. We're going down, so that means we're counting by tens. So let's do 60. And if we add another 10, now it'll be 70. Add another 10. Then it will be 80. Add another 10, 90. So notice the first number is the one that's changing. So that means we're counting by tens. All right, now let's do this one. 84, 85, 86. From 84 to 85, I only added one more. So that means we're counting by ones. Let's check over here. Here's 84. And then we said 85, 86. So we're going across. We know we are counting by ones. What's after 86? 87. 84, 85, 86, 87. What's next? 88. 89. Let's add one more. Let's see where 89 is. Here's 89. What's next to it? 90. All right, now let's look at this one. This one's a tricky one. 22, 32, 42. Let's look that one up. 22 is right here. And then they said 32, 42. So we're going down. That means we're counting by what? By tens. So 22, 32, 42. What's next? 52, and then what? 62, and then what? 72. All right, so let's fill those in. 22, 32, 42, 52. And notice that the first number is the one that's changing. This one stays the same. The ones place stays the same. Now let's do 62. Add another 10. 72. And add another 10. 82. Oops, we forgot to circle all of these. Oh my goodness, let's go back. All right, for this one we said 30, 40, 50, 60. We said this one we were counting by tens. If you check that one here, you're going down this way. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. That's going across. If you notice, where's 84? Here, we went across this way. So that means we're counting by ones. All right. Now, I'll let you do the very last one all by yourself. I want you to find these numbers over here on this and then circle the one you think is the correct answer. All right. I'll let you do that one on your own and then post your picture on YouTube. Oh, sorry, not on YouTube. On Seesaw. All right, guys. See you later.